Hi guys, welcome to the latest video, and in this video we are going to show you how you turn this into this. So we have already started stripping out this garden. As you can see, there are some steps here, there's an old patio here, some artificial grass and a patio area down here. Patio area over here. We are putting new paving in and around behind the hot tub. We're putting a new patio area across here. We are putting new artificial grass area across here, and we are putting a new patio in here with steps. And this is going to be a fantastically usable garden. We are using porcelain, graphite, anthracite, in fact, anthracite porcelain. And artificial grass, 40mm artificial grass. It's going to be a fantastic usable garden. We are going to strip the whole thing out. We're going to put a sheet down, we're going to base it up, then we are going to lay our patio at the back, then we are going to put our patio in over here, and then we'll put our artificial grass in, and you are going to see what we do and how we do it, and this is going to look fantastic. So stay tuned for the video. The project that we are doing over in South London, the porcelain patios, one patio is laid and we're going to show you that before it gets grouted. This patio is still under construction. As you can see over here, we have got the risers installed for the step. We've got some air vents, which they're the air bricks in the house, and obviously we've put vents coming out to the air bricks, and we've cut really nice gaps in the porcelain tiles, and you can see what the step's going to look like as it's done. So we are here laying this up, and I'm going to bring you over to the artificial lawn area. We have got our frame going around the perimeter. The 3x2 is being set in concrete around the outside, and there is a completed groundwork area here which has been compacted, built up in layers to give you an idea of the process. So this is sort of nearer complete. We're going to put another layer of groundwork on top of this, level it up, compact it, and then obviously this is what it looked like before. And then we've got this area around here which goes around the hot tub really nicely, and over here this area which is basically complete bar grouting. We've got a little bit of jiggery pokery to do in the planters, but we're going to be showing you the rest of this process, and as you can see, the job is really coming together now. This installation is going to look awesome when it's done. A really usable, nice contemporary garden. So guys, going to get cracking. Let's get going. So the installation is complete. We are just cleaning up the project at the front. So as you can see, we have created this beautiful step area out of slabs. We have extended the air bricks so that the home can have airflow. We have created a 2-tier step there, so it's for easy access. And as you can see around here, we have laid this fantastic grey porcelain patio. We've got a grey porcelain border. We've got our artificial lawn over here, and it goes round right by the hot tub area. I think you will agree that it looks absolutely awesome, amazing. It is a very clean and concise contemporary garden that the client will get many years of enjoyment with, because of the easy nature, the one level all the way through, the artificial lawn which is 40mm thick, obviously around this fantastic hot tub area, and these two patio areas providing plenty of space for the client. So if you like what you see, please get in touch via the website, via Facebook, Instagram. Please drop a comment, please like, and please share. Thank you very much for watching this installation. I hope you've enjoyed it, and we will see you on the next video.